Hey guys, Nikki here, also known as Fit Trader Chick, as some of you may know me. I'm also involved in Trader Formula, website's traderformula.com, and basically I just wanted to do a quick video to kind of, I know I'm here from the Florida Keys, that's where I'm coming to you from, but explain what's been going on with me lately. A lot of you might know my story. Basically, I've learned how to trade stocks in about a year, and it's been a learning process along the way. I've had my up times, I've had my down times, and basically it took me a year to become consistent at this, and I'm still consistent, and I'm going to kind of go into some details on what's been happening lately, including some market analysis as well. Basically, as some of you may know, Chris and I, my husband, who's Chris Dunn TV on YouTube, we've basically started a trip around the world, and over the past few weeks we just left our home base in Austin, and now we're taking off to explore the world. And basically the past few weeks have been a lot of traveling, a lot of getting together with family and friends, saying our goodbyes. So I haven't really been trading a whole lot. My focus hasn't really been there. And one thing about trading is you don't want to do it if you're not focused. If you don't have time to sit there and pay attention to what you're doing and really have your mind right, don't do it. Just take the day off. And that's what I've been having to do a lot, just because I've just been on the road. But things are starting to slow down for us, and we're starting to get back into our routines again. So I'm starting to trade again. Today was the first day, and this is April. So I'm just going to talk about January and February. Basically, January and February were excellent months for me. The market was going straight up, as a lot of you know. And when I talk about the market, usually I'm referring to the E-mini S&P 500. But the market was going straight up, doing great. Breakouts were working left and right. Things were just amazing for me. I was hitting it out of the park. And then March came, and things started to change for me a little bit, and the market started to pull back. And when the market starts to pull back, sometimes you see a lot more fake out breakouts. Things just don't work out as well. You don't get as strong of breakouts, as big of percentage moves as you may have been getting January and February. So the dynamic started to change a little bit for me. And, instead of beating myself up, I actually ended March with a 45% win ratio, which isn't great and it's not bad. It's just very neutral. It doesn't excite me. It's just I'm just happy that I didn't blow up. And that's what Trader Formula does. Trader Formula is something that we use to manage our risk properly. We're able to control our risk and not blow out an account. You don't want to blow out an account. You want to make sure that you're controlling everything and risking proper percentages of your account and so on and so forth, which is what we teach. And the main thing that I'm taking from all of this is another important lesson that I wanted to relay to everybody is I'm not beating myself up about March, because I've tracked everything. I've tracked the setups. I've tracked what worked, what didn't, what I missed, what setups and opportunities I could have taken that I didn't take. Half of that because I was traveling half of the month, and the other half just not having that focus. These are all things that you have to take into account, and sometimes, a lot of the times, it's partially the market and partially you, and you just can't let losses take you down, because they will. The market will do everything to take you down, and that's what we teach, and that's what I live by, basically. Risk management, proper risk management, not blowing up, because I'm positioning my size correctly and doing everything that I should be doing, taking the right trades. And as I always say, trade with no regrets. If you took a trade that that was compelling and that you had every reason to take it, trade with no regrets. Don't get upset if that trade didn't work out, because it could be anything. It could be the market environment, which normally it is, or it just didn't work out. This is trading, guys. You have winning months, you have losing months, winning months, losing months. It's just what happens. It's a matter of is your edge there? Do you have an edge on the market? And yes, I have an edge. We have an edge with what we do. So you just have to stay confident in your plan. You have to stay confident in your strategy. And if it stops working, look into other things. I'm always looking for ways to make money in the market, whether it be different types of setups, different ways of managing trades. Right now, we're kind of in that market where, you know, you don't hold all day. Sometimes with day trades, you can just basically buy them in the morning and hold them all day and they just go straight up. But this isn't really that kind of market. You kind of have to take your profit when you get it, and things happen a little quicker. So just keep that in mind. Always watch your market environment. Watch what the market's doing, because stocks do follow the market. So, you know, a lot of stocks don't. Sometimes, you know, with the penny stocks, the OTC stocks, pink sheets, those usually don't follow the market. But, you know, a lot of the stuff I trade, these are real stocks. So they can follow the market. And like I said, you know, February, market's going straight up. March, we get that pullback. So I really could have been focused on more shorts, but I wasn't. So just always know your opportunity that's out there, and always know your market environment, and always realize that this is trading. You will win some and you will lose some. A losing month is not going to put me down because of my risk management. So basically that's what's been going on with me. Just kind of wanted to get you into my head a little bit over the past month, because I've been on the go so much that I haven't really been able to communicate with a lot of my followers and a lot of my friends. So again, Florida Keys here, it's beautiful out here. Just gonna enjoy it while I have it, trading in the mornings, and you guys will hear from me soon.